Hey guys, this is Jake from State Fun. Today we're going to be working on the Cummins house car swap part 3. And we're going to be taking this from there to into this. So hang out with us and watch us pull the cab and bed off. Alright, so as you can see, I've already kind of got a lot of the stuff disconnected from the cab. Here I've got where the clutch used to be, wires for brake lights and ABS and stuff came out of one of the holes. Steering shaft is disconnected. A lot of the wiring there is all laying loose down underneath. As far as I can tell, let's see, got a heater hose disconnected. Move over here to this side, got the AC disconnected. Got the wires for the alternator and trigger wires and stuff for that disconnected. I think I've got all the wiring stuff on the front section here done. I don't see anything that's kind of connected between the engine and the cab here, but once we get underneath, we can start pulling off the bolts, and we'll see if anything else is hooked up under there. The real test will be how much pulling power the things that are still connected that I'm not aware of have when we start ripping this thing off the frame. It's always a test of tensile strength when you start pulling things apart. Let's see if this thing even has enough torque. Probably gonna have to go get the breaker bar. That's crazy. This Cobalt stuff is awesome. I had to get the breaker bar to break loose the little 3/8 studs that were holding the steering column in place, or the steering shaft in place, because this thing wouldn't do it. I guess those things are freaking tight. But this, it just came out without a problem. That's crazy. I am so happy with that right there. Let's go get the other ones. Alright, we'll have to get the breaker bar out for that one. I knew it couldn't just be that easy. Alright, let's see if we can break this thing loose with the breaker bar now. Alright, let's see if that's enough to take this. Woo! Cab is loose, as far as I know. Just gotta pick it up now. Well, while I'm here, let's go ahead and disconnect some wires. See if I can pick it up a little bit now. Yep, that'll do. Just gonna see what I need to do for the filler cap. Alright, let's see about disconnecting that part brake now. Guys, it really helped me out here if you hit that subscribe button. Lets me know that you like the content and you're wanting to see some more. Oh, we got the cabin bed and everything off. We can actually see how good or bad everything is. I don't really see anything too terribly rusty. There's a lot of grease around the transmission and the rear of the engine. We'll probably try and clean as much of it off as we can. I have to replace the AC condenser, and we'll do the KDP fix on the front here. Get a new master cylinder, new power steering, pressure hose, and then start measuring all of the different mounts. So as you can see, we got everything off. It was a little bit of a pain, took a little bit of time, and all of the heavy machinery, but we got it done. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Leave me a comment, let me know what I could have done better. And subscribe for continuation of this project as well as all the other ones. Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a good one.